Today we're making shrimp fried rice with peas, carrots, and onions and shrimp. So you guys, this is how it's going to come out looking. So let's get started. You're going to need a half of chopped onion, 2 eggs, some peas and carrots, a half cup, a half a pound of shrimp or chicken breast, some oil, and we're going to go ahead and get us a wok. Let it get hot, pour in some oil. Once you pour in your oil, you're going to go ahead and drop in your onions. And then we're going to go ahead and drop in, once they stir fry a little bit, drop in your peas and carrots. Just like so. Gonna let them cook for a few minutes. Once they cooked and turn a little brown, we're gonna drop in a little bit more oil and drop in our shrimp. And we're gonna let those fry for a little bit until they're pink, until they're cooked. And just, stir fry them a little bit until they're cooked. Then, after they cooked, we will push them to the side once they cooked. But I say cook them for like 2 or 3 minutes just to make sure they're done. Just let them cook until they're done. So now we're going to go ahead and push them to the side because they should be cooked by now. So once we've got them all cooked up, we're going to go ahead and push them to the side now. There you go. Now we're going to drop in a little bit more oil in there so we can fry up our eggs. And let it get a little hot, and then drop in your eggs. We're going to go ahead and cook the eggs until they're done. Give them a good old stir so they won't stick to the pan. Make sure you got your pan on low. So in the meantime, your peas and carrots still cooking. Yep, just keep stirring it, you guys. Altogether, once you have everything put together, it takes like maybe 10 to 15 minutes to cook. It's a quick meal, and very yummy meal. So just keep stirring, you guys. And if you don't like shrimp, you can put chicken breast. You can do beef, pork. You can do pork fried rice or shrimp or chicken fried rice. It's all what you like to eat. But you would cook it the same way. Just fry your meat and just stick it to the side with the veggies. Do your egg. All right, so it's about time to start mixing everything up together. Our eggs are cooked. So just keep stirring them. You guys, now let's go ahead and add everything together. Stir it together. There we go. Stir it all together and get everything combined. So now, once we combine everything, we're going to go ahead and drop in our rice. Now, you can use a day-old rice or you can make fresh rice. And I'm using jasmine rice. It's healthier for you. So we're going to go ahead and drop in our rice. And I'm using a dark soy sauce. It's called River Bridge dark soy sauce. You can get it from any little Asian store. And you just need a little bit of it. So now we're going to go ahead and give it a good old stir together. Combine everything together. Yep. Keep on stirring it, you guys. Get everything combined. Keep stirring. You gotta get all that rice covered up. There you have it. There you go. There go our rice. Now you're gonna drop in a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then you're gonna go ahead and add in some sugar, a half a teaspoon of sugar. And then we're going to go ahead and give it a good old mix together. Just mix it all up. Get it all combined together. Girls, guys, look how yummy this looks. I'm ready to eat some. But there you have it, you guys. Shrimp fried rice. Y'all enjoy, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And may y'all have a blessed day today. And y'all enjoy. Thanks for watching. It's so yummy.